In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with Zoho Survey. This integration helps you connect your customer relationship data with your survey workflows so the right records can trigger the right survey experiences. To begin, open Zoho CRM and look in the top right corner of the screen. You will see a gear icon, which is the setup area. Click Setup, the gear icon in the top right, because that is where all configuration options live. Next, after the setup menu opens, you will want to go to the Marketplace section. In that section, select Zoho. This is important because the integration listing is organized there, and choosing Zoho helps you find the correct apps that work with Zoho services. Now take a moment to locate Zoho Survey in the list of available integrations. Scan through the entries until you see Zoho Survey. When you find it, click Setup Now. This step tells Zoho CRM that you want to install or connect the Zoho Survey integration for your account. Once you are on the Zoho Survey integration page, look for the button labeled Configure. Click Configure to move into the configuration flow. From there, click Get Start Now. After that, you will be prompted to enter the required connection details, such as your portal information and the relevant items requested on screen. Enter your portal and departments when prompted, then click Next to continue. Take your time on this part because these values guide how CRM records are organized and sent to survey. After you reach the next configuration screen, you will be asked to select the CRM modules you want to sync. Choose the modules that match the kind of information you want surveys to use. For example, if your survey responses should be tied to leads or contacts, select the corresponding modules here. This step matters because only the selected modules will be available for mapping and automation later. When you finish selecting the CRM modules, the next step is mapping. You will need to map the CRM fields to the corresponding Zoho Survey fields. This means you will connect each CRM data item, such as names or identifiers, to the matching fields inside Zoho Survey. As you do this, make sure the data types and meanings align so the information goes into the correct place in your surveys. As you continue, you will see an option to check a box for automated actions or email templates if desired. If you want the integration to automatically handle actions and send the appropriate email templates, turn that option on by checking the box. If you prefer to manage emails separately, you can choose not to enable it. The key is to make the choice that matches your communication workflow. Finally, once all selections, mappings, and optional settings are in place, you can complete the setup. Click Done. This confirms the integration and saves your configuration, so Zoho CRM and Zoho Survey can work together based on the modules, field mappings, and automation options you selected. And that covers everything you need to know. If you follow these steps carefully, you will have a working integration between Zoho CRM and Zoho Survey, ready to support your survey processes.